Jarmelo.
Magic Fishing Water Elf Kit. Hi kids, welcome to Jarmelo's Art World, where we have fun and get creative together. Today, we'll make magic water elves. Before we start, make sure you have these materials ready: fishing rod, box, molds, gels, elf powder, net, bottle, rings, stirring stick, a pair of gloves. Got all your materials ready? Great! Let's create magic water elves. First, add about 4 inches of water and pour 1 packet of elf powder into the bucket. Then, stir until it's well mixed. Next, pick your favorite animal mold in your favorite colors. Then start filling the mold from the deepest part. When you're filling, make sure the nozzle doesn't go too low. You don't want it to touch the mold and get clogged. Fill the entire mold completely. Place the crystal ring holder in the center and press it down gently. Add a bit more gel around the base to help it stick better. Next, dip your mold into the magic water. Wait for 15 seconds. Then give it a gentle shake so the water elf can slide right off the mold. Don't rush to take the water elf out right away. Let your water elves rest for about 2 hours to fully grow. They'll transform from 2D to 3D, becoming fuller and more detailed. While waiting, we can make some water elves in other styles. You can also use some glitter gel to make sparkling water elves. Mix colors your way and make a water elf that's totally unique. If your hook doesn't sink, just rinse it or soak it for a few minutes to fix it. Now it's time to play fish them up or wear them as sparkling rings. You can also keep the water elves you catch in a display bottle, but don't forget to give them fresh water every now and then. They'll love it.